A stinking train. Yeah, right now. Yeah, we got it. All right. All right, guys. Kim and I are at Bellagio. We got a $16,000 ticket in Frankenstein, Frank the Tank. We're doing 5 cents. We're gonna do 750. We need about 750. And we're gonna get like a billion Frankenstein faces. Worth like $1 trillion Frankenstein dollars.
Come on!
Get it.
Come on! Oh, it's right there!
If we do get it, we gotta back way up though. Why are you so bad at this? Oh my God.
Should I just start going?
No.
We haven't won anything yet.
I know, that's why I said we were walking by. She's like, oh my God, I have to play Frankenstein. I was
No,
like,
you were like, let's play Frankenstein. I was like, we never win.
I was like, Kim, we never win on Frankenstein. And she's like, we win all the
Oh
time.
my God, you're the one that was like, we won that like $400 one time.
I don't know what, the girl just lies, guy. I don't know what to do.
It's alive!
It's a lie.
It's alive! It's alive!
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, that's our first win, so.
I think we picked the wrong machine because there's like no multipliers up there. Or yeah, there are. They're just way up on the big stuff. More power! Oh, that's good stuff right there. Where is all that when we get a Frank? Frankly, it's ridiculous.
Frankly, Frankenstein doesn't like you. It's alive! It's alive!
Can I be frank with you?
Your face?
No. Frankly, I'm just gonna set you on top of this machine.
And do what? Tell us, Randy. It's alive!
Well,
Not a single Frankenstein.
I just honestly couldn't come up with anything that would pass the YouTube filter.
Tell us, Randy. What
So
would
I
you do?
gave up.
That's what I thought. Nothing. Nada. See, aren't you glad I slept that extra hour?
Frankly, I am.
I was like, give me an extra hour of sleep, you guys. And he's like, no, the lines are so long.
We're doing a holiday gift redemption crap, and I wanted to be done with it.
Well, you know, it's very hard to go shopping when you have a budget, you guys. I'm sure any woman can understand that. When your significant other takes you shopping and you have a budget.
But it's not a budget that I choose. It's based on how much we played the entire
I know,
year.
but we had like an X amount of points, so I had to find certain things that would add up to these points.
You know how much those points cost me? Probably $120,000.
And we probably got $600 worth of stuff. But I'm happy.
Okay,
and
good.
my mom gets a present.
Yeah. Everybody gets a present. You get a present. You get a present.
I got Prada perfume for me. And my mom is obsessed with, I don't remember who the name is, but it's Angel is the fragrance. And it comes in like a star. It's my mom's favorite perfume. So we got her that for her.
Do it.
Come on! Oh, it's the second time in a row I did that. Free games, free games, free
You know
games.
what you should do?
What?
You should call shenanigans.
Cheese and crackers.
Well, no, you gotta say shenanigans. You gotta press the shenanigans button,
Oh, okay.
and then they'll come
Why did we choose to do
a
this
jury
game?
of like 12 people from the casino will come, and you can plead your case for shenanigans.
Are we done?
No. You get to plead your shenanigans case.
Come on!
If they believe you, then you get your $7.50 bet back.
Okay, go
If
for
they
it.
don't believe you, they
This button which starts with F, that says shenanigans,
they
right?
drown you in a toilet if they miss you. So it's high risk, you know.
High risk, low reward.
Yeah, 750. won $18. Oh no, we won 192 on that spin. Okay. We need more. It's alive. Frank. Frankie Frank. More. More Frank. More Frank. Oh.
Let's get this one again.
No, bigger. Catch on fire. Catch on fire. Catch on fire. Uh-oh, we got a lot of brains.
Last spin, ready?
Terrible. Woo, woo, woo. All right, 246,300 penny. No, that's not right. It's something like that, though.
Now let's go back up.
Okay. I mean, you can stay down, and I prefer that, but whatever. No, I don't.
That one was times 5.
Where? You mean by bet?
Yeah, look.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but it's a tiny one. Look at this one. Don't be trying to steal my thunder.
It's not about you. Don't be so selfish.
You were the worst person in the world.
Don't be selfish, okay?
You were the worst person.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, there was like, I mean in history, there was like,
Nuh-uh.
yeah, there was like,
Rubber band.
there was like Pol Pot, and then there was like Hitler, and then there's Kim. You were like third.
Mussolini.
And like,
Hitler.
right, Genghis Khan was fourth. I mean, that's how bad you are. You're ahead of Genghis Khan. Kim Kardashian, I mean, you're up there. Like it would be like Epstein, Diddy, Kim. You know, like that's how bad it is.
I can't wait for a Diddy documentary to come out.
Yeah.
Come on.
See what I mean?
Stop being selfish, Frank. They were just hitting quick spin after quick hit after quick hit after quick hit.
Why don't you focus on your machine and Frank would show up more often?
All right, we got one. Make it a good one, Frank. Make it a good one.
It's terrible because you're watching Whitney Houston and Quick Hit Armageddon.
You know what? I'm just a girl. I get distracted. Just because I have ADD doesn't mean you have to make fun of me.
Oh, now it's a whole ADA thing. Oh, now you took it to that level. All right.
I don't even have ADD. I probably do. I'm just undiagnosed.
I do for sure. Oh, double.
Whoa!
What does that mean? Give me Frank's.
Give me at least one. Come on.
It's alive!
So you want to get that with like a bunch of heads.
I've never seen that before.
I have like once.
We almost got two again. Come on, Frank. Stop being a selfish butthead.
You tell him, honey. We won't go below 1,000. Oh, now you show up. Frankfurter.
Should we go back down on our bet?
No.
Last 50?
smart to you? There's our drinks. Uh-oh.
Come on.
Any hit.
What?
Come on. Oh, that is terrible. Terrible. Thank you.
Thank you. There they all are, and one on fire. Cheese and cracker strength.
What power? It knew we were going to cash out at 1,000, so it tried to tempt us to stay, but we're not falling for it.
Oh, we're just gonna go down in debt.
Now we're done. All right, we're going to cash at 1,000. That was Frank the Tank. He sucks. From Bellagio. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys. Kim and I are at Bellagio. We got 200 in this luxury line Cash Express. Gonna be doing $7.50 a spin. Kim is grumpy.
Comatose over here.
She's being a grumpy grumperson.
Not grumpy, I'm just tired now. I'm full and I'm tired.
I think you misunderstood. I said you're being a grumpy grumperson.
Okay.
It's slightly cuter than just being grumpy. Same ballpark though. We cannot win on the new slots to save our lives. Come on, do it. There you go, do it. Makes me want to punch things. Go. Buffalo!
Get it?
No. Like, we cannot win on new slots. We filmed like, I don't know, 100 and something minutes and have 0 wins. Nothing that we could even make a video out of on this channel. Nothing. Go. Buffalo! Go, do it. Train. Piece of crap. I saw it. stinking train. Yeah, right now. Yeah, we got it. All right. It's the mini train, but we'll take it. Come on, trainy train. We need a lot of minis. Oh, God. Wow, that is trash. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Oh, good. Never mind. Now it's not garbage. We got the gold train. Come on. Give us 10. So every train is that much. All right, come on. You can do it. More than 3. Don't give us 3. Come on. This just went from terrible to awesome if you keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Go. Go. Yes. Oh my God, that's awesome. That looked craptastic and it just turned into a miracle. Is that a hand pay?
I don't know.
I believe it is. Thank you, Mr. Train. Yeah. In your face, Beefalo. High five.
It looks like it's gonna be.
Yeah. We got the gold train. We got the golden train. It's like golden ticket, the golden train. Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. All right, guys, we'll be back into this hand pay. Bum, ba-bum, bum. All right, guys, we're back after that beautiful hand pay. We'll keep going. Let's get it again. Come on, Beefalo. Beefalo. Snoopaloop. You know what? Let's go crazy. $16 spins. Come on, Beefer. Don't be jealous of my $2 win. Alright, well, we'll take our $2 elsewhere. That was Cash Express Luxury Line. Beautiful hand pay. Thanks for watching, guys.